Hi friends, in this video we will go through some of the tuple methods available in Python. As tuples are immutable, they have access to very few methods. Index and count methods are the only two available methods which can be used to locate items in a tuple. Let us go through both these methods in detail, starting with the index method. An item X can be located in a tuple using the index method, which returns the first occurrence of the item. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string A, int 5, int 3, int 5, and int 4 to a variable t. Now, execute t.index5. The value returned is 1 as the first occurrence of 5 is at the index equal to 1 in the tuple. The index method also accepts optional arguments start and end, which search in the slice start is to end. Start and end default to 0 and the length of the tuple respectively. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string A, string B, string C, and string A to a variable t. Now, on executing t.index string A, the value returned is 0 as the first occurrence of string A is at index equal to 0. If we execute t.index string A, 1, the value returned is 3 as the first occurrence of string A at index equal to or greater than 1 is at 3. Let us perform another search by executing t.index string C, 1, 3. The result returned is 2 as the first occurrence of string C in the index range greater than or equal to 1 and less than 3 is at 2. Moving on to the next method. The count method can be used to count the occurrences of an item in a tuple. The value of the item has to be provided as an argument. For example, let us assign a tuple containing items string A, int 2, int 3, int 2, and int 4 to a variable t. Now, to count the number of times int 2 occurs in the tuple t, let us go ahead and execute t.count 2. The value returned is 2 as int 2 occurs twice in the tuple.